Well, the last coat I sprayed on this rifle stock turned out pretty good. I like it. I'm happy with it. Time to put it back together. Give it a new home. Remember, there was a certain combination on this thing that worked better. Seemed like putting the front end in first worked better. It was fairly tight when I made it, and then when I add a little bit of build-up finish in there, seems like it gets a little bit snugger. This has got a nice soft round bottom edge on it. Is the reason I'm using it. That did it. A Tikka with a drop grip stock for a very long armed man. I like it. Thanks for watching. Tell your friends. Have a good day. God bless. Well, thanks for choosing to spend your time here with me today. I hope you've enjoyed this program. I'll try to post a new segment each weekend. In addition, if you'd like to read about a stock that I made, and then it took a 20-foot free fall, click on the link at the bottom of this page. It's called The Broken Gun. It's a story I wrote a few years ago about my two boys. Sometimes life's hard and things get broken. Now and then we get a chance to fix them. I'm so grateful for the opportunity I had to repair this broken stock. It led to a restoration that I never could have imagined. As always, if you like this video, please click the like button and share this with your friends. Have a great day.